Which stock market fund is best suited for retirement goals? Our industry expert, Mr. Satish Prabhu, will share his wisdom with you. Satish, over to you.
I would say that equity funds are quite good. And even when somebody is retired, because today we know that retirement is not 10 years or 20 years, it can go beyond 30 years and more. So if somebody is retired at 60, they can as well live till the age of 90, which is a 30-year period. And it's a long period to stay invested, say, in a debt fund. So I would say that equity should continue not just up to retirement, but even after retirement. And you can, split that corpus between equity, hybrid, and debt, and use the debt for the near term, and maybe the hybrid and the equity for terms that are far away. So for something that, if you're 60 today and you want money to be used after you're 80, then there is no point in investing in a hybrid or a debt fund. You should invest in an equity. So slowly move the corpus. You need the money into a debt or hybrid, but for long periods of investment, you can always look at equity funds.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also, you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.